What's going on, guys? Okay, market, it's green. The Dow's up, it's green. S&P is up, it's green. Russell 2000 index is up, it's green. NASDAQ, it's up, it's green. Now, we look at AMC, it's up, it's green. Everybody's happy, right? You're not mad at your favorite YouTuber. You're not mad at your wife's boyfriend. You're just happy, right? Because you're buying and holding and you're buying some more. AMC is up 7% today. Just breaking $37, and it looks to have done that 3 times already, which is going to allow me to segue into a lesson about momentum trading and day trading. But I also want to cover something that's really, really important to me. And before we do that, let's go ahead and look at the Vortex data. No matter what we say as YouTubers, no matter what the bots, the shills, and all the FUD would say, the only number you have to focus on is the short interest. And I'm going to buy and hold until the shorts cover. Trey has gotten a lot of shit. A lot of YouTubers are getting a lot of shit. The bots, the FUD, the shill. Hey, look it. The hedgies know they cannot adulterate your conviction towards AMC stock. So they go ahead and they bash individuals like myself. As you guys can see, I'm still holding 2,503 shares. But I'm looking at the chart, and you guys could see since opening, we have higher highs and higher lows, which is a good thing. Now, I don't recommend that you look at the minute chart on intraday, especially if you're holding for the long haul. But we're going to get into this lesson about momentum trading using the 2 most popular indicators, and that is the RSI and the MACD. But we're also going to prove a point. All right. So let's go ahead and look at the 4-hour daily here. And this is where you guys need to hang out the most. But we see a couple of things. We see that the RSI is approaching 50, which means now we're neutral, which is confirmation that we are entering an upward trend. And then we get that confirmation using the MACD. Now, I'm not going to get all Greek with you guys in this and what the RSI and the MACD is. It's a tool. I want you guys to seek that education independently. There's no point in me holding your hand and you not take it upon yourself to learn as much as you need to learn about the stock market, because AMC is certainly buying you the time you need to learn everything you need to learn about the stock market. I don't know if I said that way too many times, but let's get back to this. Okay, so the RSI, this here is a relative strength index. And a lot of traders like to use it as a way to time their entries and exits. And that by itself is horrible. Absolutely horrible. Yes, you're taught that 70 is overbought, 30 is oversold, and people tend to use this strictly by itself. I don't know what's worse, using that strictly by itself or trading on Robinhood absolutely blind with absolutely no indicator on your smartphone. So guys, just remember the 50 line, when we are above 50 and the price action is on an upward trend, that is a show of strength. We don't have to polarize the price action here. Now, with the MACD, this is known as the moving average convergence divergence. Now, when we see the convergence of the MACD above the signal line, as you guys can see here, this is an indication that we're entering a buying trend. And then we confirmed that with the histogram. Together with the RSI and the histogram, we are able to effectively better place our entries and exits. Why did I just go over this with you guys? I went over this with you guys because if we go to the minute chart on the intraday, you will know that there was opportunity with the 2,500 shares that I have to have made close to about $7,500 today and actually increase my position. But I hold. And I hold for you and you hold for me. Trey holds for you and you hold for him. The fact that we are leaving so much money out on the table because we know how to trade, to swing momentum, but we keep so much money on the table because we believe in you guys. Here's the thing. You guys, you're accountable to your families. You're accountable to your loved ones. And so am I. But because I'm on camera, because Trey's on camera, because Matt's on camera, TMI's on camera, we're also accountable to you. maybe that might not be too fair. But guys, our conviction doesn't change. My conviction doesn't change. I will forfeit the opportunity of making $7,500 in mere hour and a half. The market opens at 9:30 for crying out loud. I forfeited that opportunity to make $7,500 because I care more about you guys. Now, some of you may have more money in your portfolio than you've ever imagined. And I know a lot of you are worried about this play because if this play does not pan out, what the hell do you do? Well, stop sitting on your ass. Start educating yourself. We can use the MACD and the RSI to begin building our knowledge base. As long as you guys are able to plot your trend lines. And to plot a trend line, guys, the rule is that the line needs to travel through 3 points or more. That is the rule. But when you draw that trend line, that gives you visual confirmation that the stock is on the move up. But here we go. We had a 37.33 high. We then got as low as 35.97, if not lower. Before you jump in the comment section and bash us YouTubers, bash us for the money that we're probably making on YouTube. Listen, guys, I get it. You know, I'm not a fan of super chats. You'll never see me have super chats on here. And I make my revenue strictly off of YouTube ads. I know you're forfeiting massive money as well because you believe in this movement. Again, I hold for you. You hold for me. This is Gabe. I'm signing out. Peace.